Hello friends, how are you? Today we are read about Thomas Hardy. Dear friends, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि हम जो हैं टीजीटी, पीजीटी, जीआईसी लेक्चरर और जूनियर एडेड में जो वैकेंसी निकली हुई है, जो जिनका सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश है उसकी तैयारी प्रिपरेशन करा रहे हैं, ठीक है। तो आपके लिए हम कंटिन्यू रोज़ एक न्यू राइटर का जीवन परिचय और उसकी जितनी भी उसने वर्क है, जितनी भी उसकी पोएम्स लिखी हैं, नॉवेल्स लिखे हैं या प्रोज लिखी हैं, वो सब आपको बता रहे हैं। और उसके अनुसार 30 या 25 या 30 क्वेश्चन हम मल्टीप्लाई चॉइस के भी करा रहे हैं। तो डियर फ्रेंड्स, इस वर्क को आप कंटिन्यू करते रहें और अपनी प्रिपरेशन कंटिन्यू रखें। और देखिए फ्रेंड, इस चैनल को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें, अपने दोस्तों के साथ, रिलेटिव के साथ इस वीडियो को व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप और फेसबुक ग्रुप पर शेयर करें। ओके, कम टू द पॉइंट्स। थॉमस हार्डी. Thomas Hardy was born on 2nd June 1840, Stansford, United Kingdom. He was influenced both in his novels and in his poetry by Romanticism, including the poetry of William Wordsworth. He died on 11th January 1928, Dorchester, United Kingdom. Hardy's work. Hardy literary work includes novels, short stories, dramas, and poetry. The more important of them are listed below. Novels and short stories. Desperate Remedies 1871, Under the Green Boot Tree 1872, A Pair of Blue Eyes 1873, Far from the Madding Crowd 1874, The Hand of Ethelbert 1876, The Return of the Native 1878, The Trumpet Major 1880, A Laudacian 1881, Two on a Tower 1882, The Mayor of Casterbridge 1886, The Woodlanders 1887, Wessex Tales 1888, A Group of Noble Dames 1891, Tales of the D'Urbervilles 1891, Life's Little Ironies Tales 1894, Jude the Obscure 1895, The Well Beloved 1897, Drama. The Dynasty in 3 parts 1903 to 1908. The Famous Tragedy of the Queen of Cromwell 1923. Poems. Wessex Poems 1898, Poems of the Past and the Present 1902, Times Laughing Stocks 1909, Satires of Circumstances 1914, Moments of Vision 1917, Late Lyrics and Earlier 1922, Human Souls for Fantasies 1925, Winter Words 1928. Multiply choice questions. Hardy is called the novelist of the Wessex region. What is meant by Wessex? The region in which Hardy's novels are set. What is Hardy's Dynasty? An epic drama written by Hardy. Dynasty is an epic drama written by Hardy. Its central theme is the Napoleonic War. It is said that the most impressive character in Hardy's novels is not a person but a place. What is that place? as done hath. In how many parts in Hardy's dynasty completed 3 parts? Hardy believed in the philosophy of immanent will. Hardy was essentially an agnostic. According to Hardy, God is deliberately merciless as flies to the wanton boys are we to the gods. They kill us for their sports. These lines of Shakespeare are quoted by Hardy in one of his novels. In which of the following novels takes? In which of Hardy's novels the scene of a wife's accusation takes place? The Mayor of Casterbridge. What is the name of the hero of a novel of Hardy who rises from the position of a grass cutter to the high position of a mayor? Michael Hansard. 13 question है. In one of his novel, Hardy says happiness is but an occasional episode in the general drama of pain. In which of the following novels The Mayor of Casterbridge? What award was given to Hardy as a great novelist order of merit? Clem Bright is a character in The Return of the Native. Hardy's title Far from the Madding Crowd is taken from Gray's Elegy written in a country churchyard. Whom does Tage kill in an emotional fury? Alec de Urberville. In which novel does Sue Bridehead appear as a character? Jude the Obscure. In which novel does Giles Winterbourne appear as the hero? The Woodlanders. Which of the following heroes written his will before his death? Hansard. One of the heroes of Hardy is hanged to death by the order of the court. Who is she? Tage. Eustacia Y appears in The Return of the Native. Gabriel Oak is a character in Far from the Madding Crowd. Who is the real of Michael Hansard in The Mayor of Casterbridge? Donald Farfrae. From where did Hardy take the hint for the title Under the Greenwood Tree? Shakespeare's As You Like It. Which of the following is not a novel by Hardy? The Heart of Midlothian. Which of the following is a novel by Hardy? A Laodicean. Which of the following is a poetical collection of Hardy? Poems of the Past and the Present. Poems of the Past and the Present. Which of the following is a drama written by Hardy? The famous tragedy of the Queen of Cromwell. Hardy's characters are typed though not without individually. Whose view is this? जैन बुक्स. तो डियर फ्रेंड्स, इस चैनल को सबसे ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करते रहें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके अपने दोस्तों के साथ, रिलेटिव के साथ इस वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब करते रहें. ओके, गुड बाय, टेक केयर, डू देयर बेस्ट इन योर स्टडी. गुड बाय.